Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale, this is a Honda CB1000R. This one owner bike, absolutely stunning. Finished off in the black and red. This one's a 2016 on a 66 plate. Bobby Dazzler. Biggest thing again, apart from it being a one owner, it's only done 1,220 miles. Clean as a whistle, lovely bikes, really grunty. It's a detuned Fireblade engine. This one, it's just as it comes from the factory. Lovely piece of kit. Single-sided swing arm, always look good on bikes regardless. I'll show you the display, easy to read, left-hand side miles per hour. Middle, you've got the revs, the right-hand side, it just shows you all the other details. Give it a quick start up. Such a cracking sounding bike, even with a standard exhaust. Anyway guys, you've seen this little beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.